Are you looking to give your home a fresh, modern makeover? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we've curated the hottest trends in window treatments to elevate your space. From sleek roller shades to automated smart blinds, we've got it all covered. Stay tuned for a dose of inspiration and discover the perfect window treatments for your modern oasis. Let's dive in. Certainly. Here are some modern window treatment ideas. 1. Minimalist roller shades. Clean lines and simple designs can provide a sleek, modern look. 2. Layered curtains. Combine sheer and opaque curtains for a stylish and functional option that allows for varying levels of light and privacy. 3. Solar shades. These are designed to block UV rays and reduce glare while still allowing some light to filter through. 4. Motorized blinds or shades. Automated window coverings controlled by a remote or smart home system for convenience and a futuristic touch. 5. Bamboo or natural fiber. Blinds. These materials add an organic, eco-friendly element to your decor while maintaining a contemporary feel. 6. Top-down, bottom-up shades. These allow you to adjust the position of the shades from both the top and the bottom, offering versatile light control. 7. Graphic prints or patterns. Bold patterns or geometric designs can add a pop of visual interest to a room. 8. Custom window. Films. Frosted or decorative window films can provide privacy while still allowing light to pass through. 9. Plantation shutters. These have a clean and timeless look, but can also be adapted to fit a modern aesthetic.
Curtain hardware. Option for contemporary and stylish curtain rods and fine finials that complement your decor. Black, brushed nickel, or metal gold are popular finishes. Colorful curtains. Add a pop of color with bold and vibrant curtain panels. This can be an excellent way to infuse personality and style in your space. Custom graphics and prints. Consider custom printed shades or curtains with unique patterns, textures, or even your own design to create a personalized and modern look. Double rod systems. Install a double rod system to layer sheer and blackout curtains, providing both style and functionality. Magnetic blinds. Magnetic blinds can be easily attached to metal window frames, making them a practical and minimalist choice. Top down, bottom up shades. These shades allow you to raise the bottom or lower the top to control privacy and light, providing flexibility in how you use your window treatment. Vertical blinds. Modern vertical blinds come in various materials from fabric to PVC that they work well for large windows or sliding glass doors. Panel track blinds. These are modern alternative to traditional vertical blinds. They consist of large fabric or woven panels that slide on a track, providing a sleek, minimalist look. Remember to choose window treatment that match your overall decor and meet your specific needs, whether it's privacy, light control, or simply enhancing the aesthetic of your space. Mixing and matching different window treatment options can also create a unique and modern look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more content, feel free to leave your comments and suggestions below. See you in the next video.